Welcome, viewers. Today we're discussing IPTV. Let's start by visiting 2tv.store, the best IPTV. The website has an easily navigable interface. Take a moment to explore available packages. Filter channels to find your favorites quickly. Affordable pricing makes IPTV a great choice. Next, let's talk about installation procedures. Don't worry, Nancy is here to assist you. She offers live support for any questions. Let's set up your IPTV on compatible devices. Follow the step-by-step installation guide. After installation, launch the IPTV app. Browse through the numerous channels available. Don't forget to save your favorites list. Enjoy watching your beloved shows instantly. If you encounter issues, contact live support. Nancy's team is always ready to help. Now let's recap what we've covered today. The IPTV world is vast and exciting. Don't miss out on the streaming revolution. Decide on the package that suits you best. It's time to elevate your TV experience. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.